But I'm explaining the important point. In this body, toes to head, whatever we feel, at present, whatever we are experiencing, when we realize the truth, all this will disappear. We say that, oh, this is correct, that body will have some weight, it is having some mass, it is having volume, it experiences pain and pleasure, heat and cold. This is all experiences what we are getting. This is illusion, not reality. Moment concentrate on it, practice it again and again, then one day we will realize truth. Then how you will feel this body? This body will not appear like this. Then what form and size it will be? We cannot write, we cannot paint, we cannot explain. Then how much weight we will realize? That we cannot say. What is the weight of the cosmos? How you will measure? What is the weight of a sky? How you will measure? What is the weight of all galaxies? We cannot measure. How you can picture the whole cosmos? We cannot do. In the same way, toes to head, whatever we feel will be experienced completely different. There is no any spoken or written word to explain it. There is no any painting to describe it. There is no any mechanism to produce any model about it. Then what we will realize, that only one thing, it is peace, it is everything, it is God, it is soul, it is immortality, it is life. Then we say everything is this, nothing else. And how to achieve that stage? By repeated practice. We cannot achieve this by reading book. We cannot achieve this by putting our reasoning power and just keep on discussing what is right and wrong. We cannot do that. By repeated practice, concentration on toes to head, with the true concept, it is power, peace and knowledge, we will reach that stage. This is the promise of the Kriya Yoga practice. If sincerely you do it and love the Kriya Yoga meditation more than God, more than soul, more than aim of life, if you want peace or you want Kriya Yoga meditation, if you say I want Kriya Yoga meditation, I am ready to accept all kind of the turmoil and problem in my life, but I want Kriya Yoga meditation. It means now you are having perfect devotion in Kriya Yoga meditation. Moment we show the perfect devotion in the Kriya Yoga meditation, then we will realize this truth, that self is immortal existence. Self is peace and bliss, power and knowledge. This is very, very important. This is what great Master Tulsidas Ji has explained. Jehi janat jag jai hirai. Moment you will know the truth, you will know the God, then the jag means what you experience, the mass and volume of this body, weight of this body, heaviness, lightness, pain and pleasure, all will disappear. Then we will experience everything illusion. Then what is the truth? We can say it is everything. This is very, very important point. Therefore keep on practicing it and have no any fear with any kind of pain and problems, because pain problem never exists. How to increase devotion in practice? By repeated practice of Kriya Yoga meditation, you will grow into it. By reading it, you will not understand it. Keep on practicing, you will know it. My eternal love and blessing to all who are really devoted in Kriya Yoga meditation, because they will work like sun in this world, is spreading the rays of the peace and non-violence, rays of the health and understanding.